That says Team Drugs.
You know what? I lay those up there.
Everybody wave to the camera.
Who's the lightweights? Lightweights? The old junker. Where's old junker? Where is it? Get into the water. What are you yelling about? You gotta jump in. Oh, they say small things. Small things come in small packages. It's life preserver.
You never know when it'll be the best food out there.
Okay, we got
Captain Catherine's preparing to go into the water.
the 20-incher.
She's feeling good. She had a nice massage before getting in. Confidence builder. We're planning a big push. Alright, first steps.
10.
Alright.
What? What's that on the left?
Okay.
9.
We're getting her in.
8.
You're joking. He's actually competing.
7.
We're gonna have to give her the big push soon.
5. 4.
It's a very tense moment.
2. 1. Go!
Go, Catherine!
And the choker, he's not giving up. The flat screen is going. His legs are through the bottom. It looks like
Paddle, Catherine!
go, you may go. I like the lifeboat.
We're waiting for her to come around the corner here. Here she's coming. Go, Catherine!
In the old Budweiser beer cooler.
Actually, it's holding up better than I thought it would. They're actually in our way.
She's kicking butt.
Yeah, and
Go, Catherine!
Get out
Go,
of my
go,
way.
go, Catherine!
He's still going. It's 20 inches. Still flat screen. It's still going.
We're gonna zoom out so we can actually see how deep into the water Catherine is and that she's kicking butt. Look at that. All the other boats are down. Catherine's still in the lead. She's going strong.
Go, Catherine!
Go, Catherine! Woo! Oh my God, she's even fighting the wind. It's like last week's tubing adventure all over again.
Come back, come back!
Sorry. Go, Catherine!
Take your time.
We have all day.
Yeah.
Eileen,
Holding up better than I thought it would, Joe.
You're going around the corner. You're going to make it around the buoy.
Catherine's making us all proud. She's making us all proud. She's really kicking butt out there. She's doing it. She's doing it. Her boat's kicking butt.
You got the anchor down.
The wind's blowing against her and everything. She's paddling her heart out. Woo!
The old beer test is down and out. Sandy, come on.
You can do it. You can do it. You're kicking butt.
All those who think next year's course should be longer.
Oh my God!
She's doing it.
Good.
kicking butt out there. Oh my gosh. This is the other buoy that she's got to reach right there. She's getting it. She's really getting it. She's doing it. She's still floating. Doesn't even look like she's taken on any water yet.
He's just tired. That's
Last week's training at the tubes down the river really helped.
What we're going to do now,
Come on, Catherine! You're almost there! Woo!
come up to the water's edge. And the first second.
It looks like the police are on their way to help her, but she's really doing all right.
I'll be back.
What? But she's doing it. Help this guy here. He's going down. Look at this guy. The police aren't helping him, but they're trying to help Cat. Oh, they're taking up the buoys. Just kidding.
Wait. Where's his boat?
He's still in the race, but let's go back to Catherine now. Look at her. Uh-oh. We are taking on some water. Captain Catherine is taking on a little bit of water. There she goes. Oh shit, am I even getting this?
Oh God, poor Catherine.
Can I see the judges here for a moment, please? Scott, I need you up here for a minute.
Alright, Catherine's getting rescued, and so is the boat right now. They had such a good run at it.
Anyone that booked their own oars for their vessels, and you loan the Marine
Pretty
your
cool.
oars.
We got a lot of people coming out. Catherine's the champ. And our boat still had life to it. This is the close-up of the rescue. She's floating in now. Rianne's probably jealous. Getting all the action. This could have been Rianne. Getting the love.
Okay, let me have the CRA boat.
Look at her paddling in. In a past life, she was a surfer. She's gonna go out and catch the big wave.
Okay, let me have Buzz Bomber.
She's picking a wedgie right now.
Bomber.
It's good. It's a good look. Oh, this is awesome. Rianne is absolutely jealous. Catherine actually has another girl right up.
Girl.
Check it out.
Castaways vessel, please report to the water.
Oh, there's our boat coming out of the water.
The pirate ship.
Well, we gotta get Catherine. I'm videotaping everything. It's been forever. There she is. There's our girl. Oh, sorry. Yikes, it's a bit bumpy. Look at her. She's such a great caption. Catherine, Captain Catherine, are you ready for an interview?
I'm not ready for racing. Wait. Don't let it get wet before we have to.
She's out of the water. She's back on solid ground. She's feeling good, feeling safe. But we're gonna go back for the qualifying Olympics next time around.